Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to convert a video to audio on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. If you want to convert a video to audio on your Android, you need an online tool to do that. So you can go to any web browser. For me, I go to Google web browser and then search for convert a video to audio. But you can also go to Play Store and search for any application that can convert video to audio. This time, let's use Google web browser and tap this free convert right here. Now you have to upload or choose the file from your gallery or from your phone folder. Tap on Media Picker here and then select that specific video, for example, this one. Once you have selected that video that you want to convert into audio, then what you're going to do next is you just have to wait as it is converting the video to audio. You will be notified once it's done. And what you're going to do is just download the file. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds, depends on your internet connection also. But once you're done with this, then all you have to do is tap on the download button below. And then you should see this on your download folder, or you can tap on this three dots and go to downloads to see the file. And basically, this is the result once you have tried this application or this tool to convert your video into audio. Here is the result. And that's how you basically convert a video to audio on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.